What?
You don't know how to talk
Huh?
to a man, sweetheart.
What?
You don't know how to talk to a man.
I'm Melly TV, ay, ay, and I'm Melly TV.
What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. So, Monkeyapp was really dry earlier, so I'm back and I'm going to try again because some of you guys were asking for another episode of having a stank attitude with guys for no apparent reason. So here I am, and we're going to attempt this video, and I hope I get some good people. I don't know, maybe because it's like Sunday night or something, but let's try this again. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. It's free of charge. Please like, share, comment, all that good stuff. All right, let's get into this video. Why are you talking to me like that?
I said, what's up? What's wrong with saying what up?
That's how you talk to people?
I mean, I don't see nothing wrong with saying what's up.
But it's the tone of your voice is really rude. Like,
Oh, no.
you don't understand?
I got music on, and I just closed it. That's why I was speaking loud. It wasn't like that.
And then you're smoking while you're talking to me, like,
What's wrong with me smoke?
don't you think that's rude?
No.
It's really rude. Okay. Hello?
What's up?
So you just gonna say peace, not hi? That's
That's crazy.
just peace, not hi?
You said bougie and stuck up.
I'm bougie? I'm not bougie.
What?
Hi, how are you doing? Hello? Like, you gonna say hi or you just gonna talk? Carry on with your conversation. Figure what out? What are we gonna figure out? Because you're rude. What are we gonna figure out? You're rude. Because you're rude. Like, you didn't even say hello when I got on.
It just came on soon. Like it just came.
Oh my gosh, I can't with these. I cannot. This app is just. Hello?
What the fuck?
Are you gonna say hi?
No.
Why?
Because you had to.
I mean, you just come on and you talking to other people. Like,
I'm gonna follow you.
I don't understand.
What's your problem?
What is your problem? Do you know how to talk to women or you don't?
Of course.
That's why you on this app. That's probably why you're on this app, because you don't know how to talk to women. So you gotta come to Monkeyapp, right?
No.
Yes.
What's your name?
That's why. Bye. You gonna show your face or what? Cause all I can see is them gold teeth. Oh, cause it look like it's gold. Oh, you rude. Because you ain't even say hi.
I didn't say hi.
And why you in the dark? Why you hiding your face?
Because I was just laying down and I just got up.
You're really rude. That's why you on this app, right? Because you don't know how to talk to women in person, right?
Hold on. You didn't even say
Is that why you're on this app?
No, that's not.
Yes, because you can't talk to women. You don't know how to talk to women.
I absolutely do.
No, you don't.
How was that?
So you have to come. What?
You don't know how to talk
Huh?
to a man, sweetheart.
What?
You don't know how to talk to a man.
Yes, I do know how to talk to a man.
You definitely don't, because you definitely.
I don't have to be on this app. You have to be on this app.
No, I definitely don't have
Yes,
to
you
be on this
do.
app.
That's why you're on this app.
That's why you're on this.
No, that's why you're on this app. That's why you're on this app. What? Hi, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Were you gonna speak or you were just gonna sit there? You're a boring one. That one was a good one, the last one. Hello?
Hey, your mouth is beautiful.
My mouth is beautiful. I'll be reporting everybody. Hello?
What's the deal? What's good?
I mean, were you gonna say hi or are you just gonna sit there?
Shit, goddamn, what's your...
I mean, that's the reason why you're on this monkey app, right? Because you don't know how to talk to women.
What's the reason I'm on that?
Hello?
Why you, yeah, what up?
Were you gonna talk or you were just gonna sit there and keep eating in my face?
What you mean I just got on here?
I mean, but is that, I mean, that's how you approach a woman? You don't say hi?
You ain't even give me time to look. You just got on here, snack.
That's the reason why you on here.
Hey, how you doing?
That's why you on Monkey app, right? Because you don't know how to talk to women in person.
Who?
You, yeah. You gotta be, no, you gotta be on here. That's why you on here, right?
Nah, listen.
Yeah, that's why you on here.
Nah, listen.
Because you don't know how to talk to women, right?
Nah, listen. I'm in a relationship, first of all.
I mean, so what? Who cares? And why you on here if you in a relationship?
Why you on here? To talk shit like you doing that?
No. This app is not for minors at all. Hello? Are you gonna talk or are you just gonna lay there and look? That's why you on this app, right? Because you don't know how to talk to women in person, right?
No.
Hello? What the hell? Hello?
Hello?
Are you gonna talk or what?
Yeah, I talk.
Are you... Hello?
What's up?
You wasn't gonna say hi?
Shit, hi.
You in jail?
Yeah.
Why you on the monkey? How you get on the monkey app in jail?
I'm a monkey.
Why you look like that?
Ass nigga.
Yeah, what's up? How you doing?
I'm sorry?
I said, how you doing?
That's how you talk to women?
I said, how you doing?
Y'all in jail?
Yes.
How y'all get the phone?
We got a pin phone, baby. That's the phone.
Why y'all talking to me like that?
Like what? No.
The way y'all talking to me.
How are you doing?
Why you so aggressive?
Hello, man. How are you doing today?
Is that why you on monkey app? Cause you don't know how to talk to women in person, right? What?
I like your polo hat.
I like that hat.
I like your hat, man. I like your bundles. Fuck you talking
I
about?
like the nose ring.
Why you getting all feisty? I'm getting all sassy with it.
What you got, lip print in? I like that. What's this?
No, in all honesty though, y'all in jail for real?
Yeah.
Let me see.
What you trying to see?
Let me see the wholesale. Where the bars at?
Bars, man. This ain't the fucking goddamn 50s. This ain't 1952. This ain't no goddamn Wild West goddamn movie.
All right, y'all. Bye.
And we have
That was crazy. That was crazy. Hi.
You was pretty.
Aw, thank you. You're pretty too. Aw. Where you from?
Rochester.
Oh, okay. I don't know if that was a girl or a boy, but compliment is a compliment. Hello?
What's good with
You wasn't gonna say hello, you just trying to show me your waves?
you?
I don't understand.
Nah.
Is that why you're on this app? Because you can't talk to women in person, right?
Well, yeah.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, I guess.
So you don't know how to talk to women in person?
I do.
No, you don't, obviously, because you're on this app. You need this app to talk to women, right?
No.
Yes. That's why you're here. Hello?
Yeah, bro. Yeah. You must be doing YouTube video, aren't you?
A million